Online. What are you laughing at? What? Hey y'all, it's Emma here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25RLE. But guys, we know that y'all can find this camper anywhere in America, but we want to encourage y'all to skip those corporate guys. We know you don't want to put money in their corporate pockets. Come buy from a family-owned and operated business like us here in Cookeville, Tennessee, where we're going to treat you like family. But if you don't want to take our word for it, we have over 1,000 Google reviews that you can check out. We have over 4.7 stars, so just go see what everybody else is saying. Before we get started, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video like this one. Let's get into it. On the entertainment side of our camper, you can see that we've got this massive awning that extends over both entryways. One entryway is to our bedroom and the other entryway is to our living room. That awning also has an LED light strip underneath that, so you can keep the party going all night long, even when it's dark outside. We even have outlets over here on the camper, so if you want to hang out outside and watch the big game, you can plug in your TV right there. Let's check out all of our storage. Check out how massive this storage space is underneath our camper. It's even lit up by our nice LED light bar if you want to work in here at night. But I'll also mention that this flooring is super nice, because if you want to throw your muddy hoses in here or anything like that that's dirty, you're going to be able to wipe it right up, and because of the texture of this floor, it's got some grip to it. So your chairs and tables or anything else that you put in here are not going to be sliding around. On the opposite side of me, we do have our convenience space, so anything that you need to plug in once you get to your campground, it's all going to be over here. I'll also mention that this camper is Starlinked prepped, so you can have internet anywhere that you go. Let's check out the inside. As soon as you walk in, you're going to notice that we have a super nice Lippert thin shade here on the door, so that means that you're going to be able to have lots of privacy and just pull up that shade whenever you want to. As we walk into our camper, you'll see that we have our super nice control panel. This is where all of your switches are going to be for your lights and slides and awnings, so everything's right here as you first walk in, so it's nice and convenient if you're hanging out outside a lot. We even have our indoor speaker system here, so your control is going to be right here. Underneath your panel and controls, we have our nice storage area. This is perfect for your blankets that you're going to be using outside, or even as a catch-all space like for your shoes, just so that you don't muddy up your camper. Let's check out our dinette area. Across from our entry, you'll find our beautiful and super cute dinette. We have lots of storage up here for any of your extra linens or anything that you want to leave into your camper. It's going to all fit up there. We also have windows all around us, so you can get all those campground views in natural lighting, so that's super nice. And this even converts into a bed if you need an extra place to sleep, or it also works as a desk, which is perfect if you're working from home. We even have an outlet over here, as well as some drawers if you want to throw your extra devices or work supplies in there. It's perfect for that. And we even have a super cute mirror over here as soon as you walk in. Let's check out our entertainment area. Right next to our dinette, we have our super comfy theater seats that I'll also mention is right across from our TV. This is perfect for all those movie nights because you do have cup holders, and you even have a USB port here if you want to work from home over here or just have something to plug in. We also have windows all around us over here, so that's even more lighting. But let's check out our fridge that's also in our slide. In our slide, we have our super nice fridge over here. This is going to fit anything that you need to put in here, all of your drinks, all of your food. This is going to fit everything. Right beside of that, we do have our nice pantry that goes all the way to the floor, so you got lots of storage here for your dog food, your large canisters, and it even goes all the way back to the back of our slide. Let's check out our cooking area. Next to our fridge, we have our super roomy kitchen. We have lots of storage for all of your plates, cups, mugs, and even your cooking supplies, y'all. We've got cabinets all across this camper here. You fit anything that you need. We even have our microwave over here beside of our cabinets, but that's not all. We have underneath this one a paper towel rack so that you can have a certain place for that where it's off of your counter and you can have plenty of cooking space, and we have a ton of that over here. We even have our super nice retractable faucet here with our farmhouse sink, so it makes washing dishes a whole lot better. And we've even got our soap dispenser right here built in. Underneath our sink here, we have even more cabinet space, and we've even got a designated spot for your trash cans, so that's super nice where it's not going to be sliding around while you're driving your camper. We also have our 3-burner stove here and our oven with lots of storage underneath that as well. These are perfect for your pots and pans and anything that you have that's larger, that's all going to fit in there. And we even have some smaller spaces here to put all of your cooking utensils and even spices if you need to. As you can see, this is where our TV is. It's right across from our couch, as I mentioned already. And we've also got an outlet underneath that if you need to plug in your Apple TV or your PlayStation or anything like that that needs an outlet. Over here, we have even more storage space here in this large cabinet, and this is the perfect place to put all of your snacks and anything that you want to access super easily. Let's check out our bathroom. Right next to our kitchen, we have our super nice bathroom here. We've got a huge mirror on this side, as well as storage all over here in front of our shower. This is perfect for your towels if you want to wad them up, or even toilet paper. We have our super nice sink over here with lots of room to do your makeup or even use your hair tools. And underneath that, we have lots more shelves for any of your toiletries or anything that you need to put there. Across from that, we do have our drying rack that's perfect for your robes or wet towels after you shower. That's perfect to hang all of those things. And we even have hooks underneath that. We have our porcelain foot flush toilet right here, but let's check out our shower. In our shower, we have lots of room in here. I'm 5'7", and we've even got a skylight, so if you're extra tall or someone with you is extra tall, they're gonna fit in here perfectly fine. We even have a removable shower head, so if you've got a dirty kid or even a dirty dog, you can hose them down in here and all the water's gonna stay in here because we do have a sliding squeegee door. So that's super nice. We even have some built-in shelves in the shower, so that's perfect for your soap, shampoo, conditioner, and anything that you need to put in here. Let's check out our bedroom. Next to our bathroom, we have our really nice and private bedroom. We have a queen size bed, and I'll also mention how cute is this Grand Design logo on these. I just love that special touch. We have storage right beside of you that works as our closets. These are both the same over here, so we do have hanging racks over here for your clothes. So if you got lots of clothes, this works perfectly as a his and hers closet. We have even more storage up above us in these cabinets here, so you can put all of your extra linens or even your shoes in there, so that works perfectly for that. We have some little cubbies over here that work as our nightstand, so you can put your water glass in here or even charge your devices, because we do have an outlet and even a USB-C port over here. So if you have a CPAP or just your devices, you can charge everything on both sides here of our bed. We also have another outlet over here as well as a drawer, so you've got even more space to charge your devices and store other stuff. Let's check out our other closet. This is the private entryway that we did mention before in the very beginning, but don't worry, we do also have a Lippert thin shade on this, so if you want extra privacy, you can pull that up, or if you want to look out, you can just leave it down. But let's get into our other closet. You've got all the space in the world for your clothes here, guys. You can stack anything up here, like your pants or sweatpants, anything you want to put in here, or your t-shirts, it's all going to fit in here. And we have drawers that's perfect for your socks or anything that you need closet-wise in here. So if you're interested in this Imagine XLS or any other Imagine from the Grand Design line, be sure that you give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.